Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the showdown and welcome back to Traders Network Club YouTube channel. Today, we are not going to be doing a showdown. Unfortunately, FxBigDog is not here today, so it's just me. But we are going to go do some live trading and show you how I trade these 5 pairs that we do in our VIP sessions that we do for our Pip Hunter strategy, and just show you how we kind of go ahead and analyze and implement trades using the strategy. Very simple, and I'm going to show you how we do it using our trading tool, automation tool that goes ahead and implements these trades for us as we dollar cost average. Okay, that is our strategy. We dollar cost average, so we have a tool that goes ahead and does that for us. As all we got to do is just buy and sell, and it'll manage those positions for us and close it out for us as well. However, we set to the tool for our net pip profit, and I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So we're going to get started. Welcome back. And we're going to go ahead and jump in and take a look at these 5 pairs and see what we got going on. All right. So let's go ahead and pull up the chart. I remembered to switch the screen this time, guys. I remembered, okay? All right. Let's take a look at the CADCHF. I know that in our VIP sessions, we are long the CADCHF, and we've been holding some positions, and we're starting to get a little reverse on the CADCHF. Price is starting to come back down to our support. Looks like we're getting some liquidity grab here. Didn't have enough demand for price to push up to our levels. So we are getting a reversal back down to our demand, grabbing some more liquidity for price to go ahead and move back up. The reason is this is a key support zone right here on our daily. Okay. And we do have a lot of consolidation here. So there is going to be some liquidity grabs going on in this consolidation zone. Now, looking at the long term here, we can see a little bit. The price wants to continue to come back down here to test this low. We'll see some positive divergence forming here. We should get some nice demand here to push price further up with some bullish momentum showing some positive divergence. So going to the 1 hour, we are looking for price to go ahead and come back to test these lows right here. And that's pretty much all price is going to move to see that we got about, I would say about 40 to 50 pips to these lows where price could possibly want to test all the way down to that low. There could even be some liquidity below as we have some retail buyers coming in the market. We're going to have some stop losses here that price want to go ahead and take out. So on the CADCHF, what would I want to do for a short-term trade here? Okay, because in our strategy, we only target 20 pips. That's how we have the tool set to 20 pips. You can change this tool however you want it. So if you guys really like this tool, as we go ahead and make these trades using this tool, if you really like it, go ahead and check out our starter membership. It's in the description below on our website. You go to starter membership and you can go ahead and purchase it from there, and you'll get access to this amazing tool. So we're going to go ahead and show you. So looking at this CADCHF, price is creating some lows. We're not getting higher highs. This is actually the 15-minute time frame. I want to go back to the 1 hour. So we got lower highs. So we're obviously getting some movement back down here. Looking for a reversal back up. But is price going to continue to move back lower to these lows? I'm going now to a small time frame. Because we are targeting such small pips, I'm trying to see if price has any more room to go ahead and trade further back down. Obviously, we're getting some oscillator showing some flat lows here. That is definitely showing me that we're looking for some reversal here as we got some lower highs forming, but we have a flat support here as price is creating lower lows. We've seen it different on the oscillator. Show me there could be some bullish momentum going to push price up a little bit. Good morning there, Tony. Good morning there, Brian, as well. Good to see you in the chat. I know most of the members of my VIP members are in the Discord chatting. I'd like for you guys to go ahead and chat in the YouTube channel so we can go ahead and see you there, as I'm not really looking at the Discord as well. There he is. Bill's there. Good morning, Bill. All right. So yeah, CAD Swiss got some room to the downside. Are we going to continue with this trend? Showing some positive divergence. What I'm going to do is I'm looking for the bullish trend. And now with our dollar cost average strategy, what I like to do is if price wants to continue to go and move to the lows, we go ahead and we dollar cost. As price wants to come back up, we can go ahead and close our positions. Okay. So I like to buy, rather go ahead and buy. Let price dip if it chooses to. We'll dollar cost average, but we're still looking for some bullish momentum. I'm seeing a lot of positive divergence forming right now. We could see a little bit dip before we see price go ahead and rally, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with the buy here on the CAD Swiss. So let's go ahead and buy, and I'm going to show you how we use this tool just like this. I'm going to go ahead and click buy, and bam, we're in here. Okay. And as you can see, I pop up my tool settings here and fixed net pips, 20 pips. So however we close out at 20 net pips. Okay. Meaning if we're getting more positions, it'll still close us when we make 20 pips altogether. All right. Let's take a look at the New Zealand CAD. Wow, New Zealand CAD. Once again, price did not get to our supply. Starting to already correct back. Are we looking for price to correct and push back to our supply zone? Well, we are in an oversold position. Price is creating a pretty much don't know if it's validated yet because we haven't seen a green MACD yet, but we could see that price is kind of validating a low up here. So we are getting a higher low forming here. So if we go to the lower time frame, very choppy on the 50-minute time frame. Okay. We see price showing a little bullish push there to try to take out some resistance. Now we're looking for price to come out and take some support. So we're getting a lot of fluctuation right now in the New Zealand CAD. You're pretty sideways, pretty choppy. I call it. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, yeah, we can see it as well. We had these lower highs. Price went ahead and tried to break through this high. Did not. Looks like price wants to come back to these lows. So if price is correcting, what are we looking for price to move? Well, I'm looking for some liquidity as well. If I go ahead and zoom out a little bit here. There is some liquidity right here. Price is kind of moving right in that zone. I think if anything, if we've seen just a pullback, I think price wants to come into the year and continue to move back up to our supply just because we do have some liquidity here from some supply, some consolidation zones. It's not giving me a pretty clear setup here. And price moving back to its lows. It's only about 8 pips. All right. We're going to hold off the New Zealand CAD and let it just continue to ride while we look at the other pairs. Good morning there, Jan. And Hector as well. Good morning. Let's take a look at the Aussie CAD. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. All right. Here we got some correction move. Price creating lower highs, lower lows. Look like we're starting to get a little pullback here. And we should see price want to move back down to this demand. I like to sell here on the AUDCAD. If we go back to the 50-minute time frame, price is kind of moving to an overbought. We're getting just a little pullback here as we're moving bearish. Price probably want to move into this consolidation zone as we have some consolidation zone right here. You can see price want to just move a little bit more. Maybe not. Probably already starting to get some bullish, but we're not in an overbought position here on the lower time frame. So we could see a little bit more price continue to rally a little bit before we see more dip. Oh, probably should get in the sell here. How many pips do we have to this demand here? Oh, that's a lot. That's over 20 pips, so we have a lot of room there to the downside. Let's get a sell here, and this is the AUDCAD, right? AUDCAD, yep. Let's go ahead and sell the AUDCAD here. And just like that, we're selling the AUDCAD. And I can go ahead and get in other positions on other MT4s here. By just a click of a button, I could be in. And there it is. Just like that, we're in. Looking back at the New Zealand CAD here, I think we have a lot of room for the downside here. Look at this. We have some liquidity here. I'm going to see how many pips this is right here. Look at this big candle wick showing some lows as well over there. That's about 48 pips. I like this. I like the downside. There's a lot of downside. Price is not going to test all the way to this demand as well. These are where the lows are at. So price has a lot of room to the downside. I'm going to go ahead and stick with a sell on the New Zealand CAD. We're going to go ahead and do that right now with a sell. And there it is. Southern New Zealand CAD and Aussie CAD. And we're buying the CAD Swiss. So there's those three pairs. We have the EURUSD and the US dollar CAD left. And we're going to go ahead and jump in those pairs right after this video brought by our sponsor, AUDCAD. All right. There's a video brought by AUDCAD. If you guys are interested in signing up with that broker, the description is below. So go ahead and check that out. FxBigDog is watching. Says he likes that. All right. Appreciate that, big dog. All right, let's take a look at the Euro US dollar and the US dollar CAD. Those are the two pairs that we have left. So Euro US dollar, wow, look at this nice bearish move right here. Came back and tested these highs right here. Okay. Had a little bit positive divergence there. Got a correction. First looks like it's dipped back down. This is the 1 hour. Last low is right here. Price is testing this low. Not seeing a full breakthrough of this low. Let's go ahead and take a look at a smaller time frame. We've seen that price is kind of not showing key positive divergence here. If we go to 15. Here in the 15, we see some positive divergence. Price already pulled back. I think price is trying to do is trying to test this low. And if we kind of zoom out, let's go back to the 1 hour. We zoom out a little bit here. We can see that we have some key supply zone right here. Okay. Look at this key supply zone. So prices definitely want to look to break through this supply zone and continue to move Probably want to test some highs and lows right here. Okay, so we do have a little breakthrough here. Price kind of correcting back, trying to retest these previous highs. The price is trying to break through, coming back down. Here we go. We see in the 5-minute time frame. Well, why'd that go smaller? Yeah, on the 5-minute time frame, we see price creating these higher highs. And look at the MACD. MACD is falling. Oscillator is starting to kind of fall back down. So we're starting to see some bearish move when it come back, test these lows. Let's see here. 25. So it's over 20 pips to these lows. So we're going to go ahead and sell here on the Euro US dollar. Okay. We're going to sell the Euro US dollar. I'm liking the sell back there with the continuous move here. We're moving pretty bearish. Let's take a look at the US dollar CAD. What is the US dollar CAD doing? Wow, we're at our supply zone. Okay, now we do have some liquidity up top here. Gotta really pay attention to this as well. Probably gonna want to sell because we like to sell at supply, but we do have some liquidity up top here. If price chooses to go ahead and push a little further up here. Not seeing any negative diversions. We see a little flat MACD there. If we go to the 50-minute time frame. Wow, look at this. Very key negative divergence here. Usually I'm on the same direction with the US dollar CAD and the Euro US dollar, but I'm going to be on opposite directions here. With the negative divergence showing here, we're at a key supply zone. We are looking for price to go ahead and dip on the US dollar CAD. Now, anything can happen with liquidity grab. As I said, this is a key resistance here, so we do have some retail sellers setting stop losses up top here. So we do have some liquidity up top here as well. If price chooses to go ahead and break through to go ahead and grab some liquidity, we could see that. But then again, we dollar cost average. So we will be doing that if price chooses to do that. But I'm going with the sell. I'm expecting some big bearish moves back down. We're seeing some negative divergence. We're seeing price testing the supply. It's a key supply zone, as you can see. We should get enough supply to have price dip 20 pips. Okay, so that is our target again. It's 20 pips on the US dollar CAD and all these pairs. So we're going to go ahead and sell here on the US dollar CAD. All right, a lot of selling today. A lot of selling. So basically, we sold every pair besides the CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss were long, and the CAD Swiss once again was just a pair that I think we could see a little bit of a dip before we see price go ahead and rally, as we do have some consolidation zones over here. So definitely could see a dip before we see a rally, but we are going to get some big, strong correction moves as we're moving down. So we could even correct 20 pips as we're still moving back down. Okay. All right. Those are the pairs right there. So if you guys are interested in using this tool, this amazing tool that goes ahead and implements these trades for you, all you got to do is buy and sell, and it'll go ahead and manage those additional orders and close out for you. If you're interested, go ahead and check out our starter membership. It's in the description below. Go to our website, and it's right there. If you guys are interested in Pro, you want to go ahead and listen to my live sessions that I do Monday to Thursday, just like this. You can go ahead and upgrade to the Starter Pro, and you'll get those live sessions. Not only that, you'll also get the tool, and you'll get access to our amazing community Discord, okay? So you'll be able to chat with the members and myself, be a part of the community, grow together, and learn how to trade, go ahead and upgrade to the Starter Pro. These are the VIP members that you see here in the chat. We have a blast in Discord, and we love to go ahead and analyze and trade together through my live sessions every morning. So if you want to be a part of it, go ahead and check that out. And if you guys want something even better, we do have the professional where you can go connect your account to our Pip Hunter strategy, and it will go ahead and run automatically for you. All you got to do is connect, set your risk parameters, and it's set for you to go ahead and open and close orders automatically for you. So if you want to do that, and then that's your bread and butter, then go ahead and check the professional membership. Okay? Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and we'll see you guys next Friday. Hopefully it's a showdown. FxBigDog will be here. But with that being said, yeah,